Making sushi at home can be a fun and rewarding experience. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: sushi rice, rice vinegar, sugar, salt, nori sheets, sushi-grade fish, such as salmon or tuna, vegetables, such as avocado, cucumber, or carrot, soy sauce, wasabi. Instructions: start by preparing the sushi rice. Rinse 2 cups of sushi rice in a fine mesh strainer until the water runs clear. Add the rice and 2 cups of water to a pot and bring to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover, and simmer for 18 to 20 minutes. Remove from heat and let the rice sit, covered, for an additional 10 minutes. While the rice is cooking, prepare the rice vinegar mixture. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons sugar, and 1 teaspoon salt. Heat over low heat, stirring until the sugar and salt dissolve. Once the rice has cooked and cooled slightly, transfer it to a large bowl. Add the rice vinegar mixture and stir to combine, being careful not to mash the rice. Cut your fish and vegetables into thin strips. If using avocado, slice it thinly and remove the pit. Lay a sheet of nori on a clean surface, with the shiny side facing down. Spread a thin layer of sushi rice on the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top. Add your fillings in a line across the center of the rice. Don't overfill, or it will be difficult to roll. Wet the border of the nori with a little water. Using the mat, roll the sushi tightly, tucking in the fillings as you go. Use the mat to shape the roll and apply gentle pressure to make it compact. Slice the sushi into pieces using a sharp knife. Dip the pieces in soy sauce mixed with wasabi to taste. Enjoy your homemade sushi.